Question 6 asks, are you and your workers trained and competent for the work you carry out? Question 6 is worth 15 points. This question applies to all health and safety qualifications, trade and skills qualifications, licenses, and years of experience. It could also include any tertiary qualifications that may be held. We are also interested in the level of health and safety training that workers have completed, including things such as first aid or basic and advanced passport training, or equivalent from organisations such as SiteSafe or other health and safety training providers. To score the maximum 15 points, you need to provide evidence that there is someone in your team who is fully qualified and licensed, or that someone has attended and passed a higher level health and safety training course. This displays leadership and is a valuable aspect of managing and leading your team regarding health and safety. Higher level documents would include trade certificates, licenses, formal qualifications, or similar. For example, an electrician would upload a copy of their electrical registration certification, or an architect would provide a copy of their degree. If a competency and training register or matrix has been provided, you'll also need to upload photocopies of trade certs, licenses, etc. for verification purposes. Please note, names can be blanked out from any information supplied. If none of your team have attended a higher level health and safety course, it would be something to consider, as this is likely to have a beneficial effect on your business and lift the awareness and value of health and safety in your company.